Yes, in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you can make a real $100 or maybe 70, maybe 130 in under 10 minutes of your actual time. Hey, what's up, boys and girls? It's your boy Marcel, aka Smokecount. Today, I am wearing a little festina that I find very cute. As always, link in the description if you like the watch, if you want to get it for yourself. There's a lot of different affiliation programs, or just sign up and deposit this certain amount on different either brokerages, crypto exchanges, etc. That's going to allow you to get between $50 all the way up to $30,000. Now, obviously, the $30,000 is very rare, but when they were running another promotion back in the day that should have gotten you between $20 and $12,000, I actually got $74 out of it. So that's almost 4 times the base amount. So hopefully you'll get a good amount of drops as well, and you'll make some real true passive income this way. As always, if you value me putting out information like this, drop a like. Now let's get to it. So this platform is going to be none other than Webull. Now, Smokecount, what's Webull? Well, Webull is none other than a stock exchange platform, basically a stock brokerage, right? But they recently added cryptocurrencies to what can be traded on their platform. This is very important because now you can either cash out to your bank account, as you could do with stocks, or you can cash out in cryptocurrency and have your first bit of crypto without truly investing anything. The offer they're currently running is that by just opening a valid US citizenship account, you'll get 2 free fractional shares valued between $3 and $300. Now, this was the same for me. It was between $3 and $300. I believe I got fractional shares that were around $8.70, if I remember correctly. I'll put a screenshot right here for you. And so that's already either $6 free, which can pay for your pumpkin spice latte when going to Starbucks. But then if you fund your account with $100, you'll get another 4 to 10 fractional shares that will be valued between $7,000 and $3,000. And all you have to do is fund your account with $100. Once you get the fractional shares, sell them for either crypto or dollars, and then you can retransfer all that money back to your bank account. Meaning, sure, you put $100 into it, but you didn't spend that $100. You're taking it back. So this can be one way of making $100 easily in crypto without basically investing anything. You can get your start if you're already buying stocks. Just buy stocks on Webull, get some crypto, and bam. Obviously, these are given to you in fractional shares that you can then sell and buy crypto with. They're not given to you in crypto. But if I remember correctly, they do also give you $5 of crypto when you do that offer. So who knows? You might get that. Now, obviously, since I'm giving out this information for free, I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video, and you'll only be able to get this offer through my link. Otherwise, you'll get the normal, I believe, 4 fractional shares instead of up to 12 fractional shares. So please use that. It helps me out. It helps the channel out. I know this is a really short video, but there's not really much to it. Their app is really nice. Also, one huge thing with Webull is that they do not charge commissions on your trading, which means that when you make a trade, they don't take a cut, unlike a lot of other people. So I think that's kind of a good thing. And as always, if you feel like I provided you with any kind of value, please let me know by dropping a like and subscribe. And whatever stocks you get, I'd also like you to let me know in the comments and how much actual total dollar value you've gotten from doing this. Was your boy Marcel, aka Smokecount, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.